Hey friends, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am addressing one of the biggest questions and concerns that I get in regards to TikTok Shop and print on demand. We are not wasting any time. We're gonna jump right into it. The main question I get is, will Printify be able to print and ship my products to my TikTok Shop customers within that 3-day TikTok Shop shipping requirement? Up until now, this was a big concern of mine, but today I'm presenting you with some really good news. We're in Printify and I'm going to show you what I mean. So we're going to come over to the toolbar and then down to catalog, and then you'll see right here they've added TikTok ready. These are all the top selling fast shipping items that they are claiming will be printed and shipped within that 3-day requirement. And it's actually really great products. This t-shirt right here, the Bella Canvas 3001 and the Gildan sweatshirt 18,000 are my biggest sellers in my Etsy print on demand shops. So I'm going to be using these as well in my TikTok shop. But there are even more products to browse from. So different t-shirt brands, tank tops, toddler shirts, baby onesies, tote bags. Here are a bunch more, and even hats. Here's my cranky teething baby. So we have hats and then even flannel shirts, and knowing Printify, they're just gonna continue to add on to this section. And you can always double check the shipping time by clicking into the product, and then you're going to find your provider. And you can find the average production time here. So 1.5 days for this one and 2.1 days for this one. And this is something to be really careful of because other print providers do sell these products. Like I mostly use Swift POD in my Etsy shops for the Bella Canvas 3001. But as you can see here, Swift POD does not pop up because they are not within the TikTok Shop requirements shipping speed at this time. So my suggestion to you is, if you are doing TikTok Shop with Printify, to go to that actual TikTok Shop Ready tab so that you make sure you are choosing a print provider that is within that 3-day requirement. And of course, up here they state that you can use other products within their Printify catalog. However, they suggest using the TikTok Ready catalog so that you can make sure that you're within that 3-day requirement so that you don't get flagged within your TikTok shop. This is really exciting news for people that were on the fence with getting started with TikTok Shop and print on demand due to these shipping reasons. Now in my eyes, there's really no excuses stopping you from getting started making money on TikTok with Printify's help. If you'd like to see more content on this topic, type TikTok Shop in the comment section below. And be sure to check out my previous videos on TikTok Shop and print on demand. I will link them in my description below. Make sure you're following me on TikTok and Instagram. I share daily tips and tricks there to help you scale your print on demand businesses. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.